Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can improve video quality in Google Maps. So let's get straight into it. So I'm right now in a call. So what you can do to get video quality better, right here down below you have these three vertical dots. So more options, click on that and go to settings right over here. Now you will see audio, video, general, captions, and reactions. So we are now focusing on video. And right here we have center resolution maximum. So we have right over here these options and receive resolution maximum. So you can set right here what you want, and this will improve your video quality. So you can go with full high definition and high definition right over here. And with that, you will improve your video quality. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.